name is Emerson Amelio. We have a restaurant called Oliveira Kitchen in Shoreditch, in the heart of London, cooking plant-centric food. And the next dish is a fusion of Italian and Japanese cuisines. The mushroom in Britain is called hen of the woods. It's a wild mushroom that occurs in this country, but now it's being farmed in places like Devon, and is a great product. Hen of the woods is one of the most impressive food that I've encountered when I came to Britain. I'm fascinated about mushrooms because in my country it's not part of our culture. We don't eat much. So I studied a lot about it, and I discovered a lot about it. They are rich in B12, and if you are avoiding meat in your diet, that is the sort of thing you should be eating as a kind of a nutritional replacement for meat. It doesn't taste like meat, it's not a substitute for meat, but the nutritional value, you need to find it somewhere. And hen of the woods is one of those very special things. So we are cooking this mushroom here. It's called hen of the woods. In the East, it's called maitake. So first of all, we steam it, and then we cook it in butter with a little bit of garlic and rosemary. And we're gonna serve it with pieces of cassava and a gnocchi that we make using Okinawa sweet potato, which is from Japan. That's why it has this nice purple color here. And the gnocchi works as a dumpling on an otherwise Japanese dish. And then on top of it, there will be this ponzu that we make. There is a sauce in Japan called ponzu. It's usually made with fish. I make mine using seaweed and Irish sea moss, nori, wakame, a selection of seaweeds and sea plants. And in the end, we add the citron. We deconstructed the ponzu, so we separated the citron from the ponzu, and we assembled them on the plate to get that fragrance in the end. So yeah, that's a dish. All the elements matches really well. We have the umami flavor in there from the mushroom and from the seaweed. We have the protein, we have the starch, all really finely combined. And it's actually a multinational dish if you think about it, where each element comes from.